So welcome to welcome to my YouTube channel, and I am Balaji, 30 years old. Currently it is 2021, and I'm starting my YouTube channel. And the thing is that I'm very happy to start my YouTube channel because let me tell you what are the things you're gonna see in this channel. First thing is that we're gonna review books. I like reading books, so whatever books I read, I'm going to give a review in 10 minutes, and also plus additionally I'm going to write a blog on that, you can read it also, and I'm gonna follow that book. Most probably it will be autobiography and biography, and then self-improvement books. So those are the books we're gonna review, and then make it everything in 10 minutes. And next is the Becoming Batman series. So this is the series which I'm going to love it, and I'm going to hurt myself most of the time. In this series Becoming Batman, we're going to see how we can be a Batman based on the books and based on the journals, based on the technical papers and other sources where we can find information about our childhood hero Batman. Many people likes Batman, so I also like Batman. I think this time I'm going to take an opportunity to become a Batman over a span of 10 years. I don't know, I may drop it down also, but I'm going to push myself to become a Batman. So next is that I'm a design engineer. I'm good at CAD, so I'm going to share my tips and tricks in CAD. So like if you type some software in YouTube and then find some CAD oriented things, I'm going to teach you how you can approach a CAD. So those things I'm going to help you so that you can improve your CAD, you can learn CAD, whether you're a beginner or intermediate, this is going to be a benefit for you. Basically I'm an engineer, so I'm from a technical background. So we're going to have a technical talks, and also we're going to invite people and get to know their domain and their knowledge. So this is going to be a fun thing, so because we're going to learn how the people work in different domain, so that you can choose your career if you are a beginner or a fresher, or if you want to move from one domain to another domain, it will be helpful for you. Plus additionally we're going to review some products, and then we're going to tear down it, and then we're going to see how technically they assembled it, or that how they made it. Those kind of videos we're going to see in this channel. And next is that to keep updated, to make ourselves stay in a position, we have to learn more. So now the learning becomes more easy, because thanks to that educational startups, and also that everything is free in the internet, so we're going to learn it, and some are cost, so we're going to buy and then we're going to review it. So in Udemy courses, we're going to buy some courses, we're going to review it, and then also same it for us for the Skillshare, Coursera, and then or a Simple Learn, whatever, whichever course we wanted to take, like I personally want or you want me to review, so those courses we're going to take and review it, and we're gonna give a reviews on it. And next is the 20 hours club. So this is you might have heard about the TED Talks, where a person he'll be mentioning about in order to become expert you have to spend 10,000 hours or 1,000 hours in a thing. So instead of becoming something in something in the things like singing or dancing or crafting things, so you can do it in 20 hours. So you can learn something in 20 hours. So in order to be good at or something at in 20 hours is possible. So that is what we're gonna take some challenges. We're gonna make it in 20 hours. So that is one thing which I'm really excited to do. And another series called Hustle With Me. So Hustle With Me is that in order to do these things, all this crazy stuff, you have to put more effort, and that effort comes only when you hustle. So that is the Hustle With Me. Daily at 4 o'clock we will be going live and we will be interacting with our viewers. So because in order to engage, like, you also have some hustles, you want to become something in your life and you are working on it. So based on that, in order to give a company, like, I'm there for you, you're there for me, like that company, we're going to start this hustle with me. It will start at every day 4 a.m. morning Indian time. So we're going to have a live, we're going to spend some 20-30 minutes of a quality time. So we're going to talk each other, and we're going to start working without disturbing each other. So that is hustle with me. And the next is that X Factors. X Factors is basically whatever the technology we have at that day, popular things. So those are things we're gonna review it. So we're gonna talk about that, and then we're gonna invite people, and we're gonna get their knowledge, and then we get the juice of that the trendy technology at that time. So that is X Factors. So whatever we don't know which will be that trendy thing. So that is why I kept X Factors. And next, the last foremost is the ninth one. It's a space stuff, which is also my favorite. So in the space stuff, we're going to think about beyond it. So instead of going to space, we're going to use the resource in space. Somewhere I heard, like, Earth is the only place where you can find timber, that is trees. That Earth is the only place where you can find trees and life. So if you timber, they mean like only trees. Because of trees only we are able to get that wood, and we're gonna use in different forms. So if you can see the table, that is also timber. And so if you find these ions, those things, you can find it in different planets, I guess. So in which planet, what you can get, how you can use it, those things we're going to talk based on the research papers, and then some inspiration from other videos. So those space stuff we're going to talk, because that is important, because I personally want to save nature, because mining spoils the earth. So 20% of pollution, I guess, through mining, and also or 20% of pollution due to automobile. No, can be, but we're going to be electric soon, so that is not an issue. And you probably know before that, this is 9 topics we have. In future it may add up, so we don't know what will be. Now we're going to have a Y factor. So why we are starting this YouTube channel? Of course, money. Money makes your life better. I'm not saying no to money. I'm not a fool. But money is not the only thing, because I can do something else to get the money. So not an YouTube channel. But more than that, I want to improve me. I just don't want to be the same person every day. So I want to improve. I want to improve my skills, not only in technical. I just want to have other skills. And also, most probably, the skills should be technical, because I like technical things. And moreover, it's not for publicity. It can be a publicity also, but I don't prefer publicity, because I am an introvert. If you leave me alone in a room, I will be there for a long time. I don't need to talk to anyone or something. I can be just like that. So I'm an introvert, so I don't require publicity. So I found this platform that where I can be me. So that's why I started this. And moreover, I just want to add value on people's life. So which gives me a kick every day. So if someone says that because of you, Balaji, I become like that, that will be helpful for me. So stay tuned and look for other updates, and I'll post every day in my Instagram. All the links will be below this description. So thanks for watching up to this, and thanks again. Like, subscribe, all those things, you please do it. Like